everyone. Hello, all my viewers. How are you doing all today? Hope you had a lovely startup of the year, and I'm very happy to get such a good response in my first video itself. And now today I'm posting a video of January 2021 for specific zodiac signs. In my previous video, I had done the 2021 reading for all the zodiac signs. Now this year and this time in this video I'm doing for specific signs. So now let's go for Cancerians, the first water sign of the zodiac. My kekras, how are you all? My lovelies. Hope you all are having a lovely time. Let's see what January 2021 has in store for you. Let's begin. Okay, my Cancerians. Okay, so all right, Cancerians, I see there a very strong feminine influence in your life. It's a very strong feminine influence, and she has been very supportive to you. She has been very strong support, and but recently something didn't go well, or what, because that feminine characteristic or that female energy I see going out of your life. I don't know why I see that, but I see that female energy which has been a strong point in your life is leaving, and it was in your past. So or maybe it was for good. Then the in present mood is you all are very much confused, and you are like jugglers. You've seen the jugglers, the palaces used to have jugglers. They used to juggle here, there, they're just juggling between things like this. In the same manner, lots of things are going on in your mind. If I could do this, if I could do that, if I could just one time do that, if I could just one time do that. You are juggling a lot, you are overthinking a lot. Please sit down, calm yourself, because if you keep on doing it, you will not get anything. It will all be, it will all be lost for no reason at all. Sit down, calm yourselves, make a vision board. I'm not saying for the full year, just for January, for the coming month ahead. Just make a vision board. What are your goals? What are your objectives? How are you going to deal with it? How are you going to deal with the problems? How are you going to deal with the situations? And what are you going to overcome them? See for the answers, see for the places where you could get the answers, see for the support system near you, because you have that. And you are doing very good in your job or occupation wise, because you can expect good offers or good results and recognition for your work. That phase is safe, that phase is covered. So don't need now, at least from my side, please stop worrying from one topic. Okay, now rest of the topic you can start worrying again. Now saying that, and I see okay, I see a male also. There's a male character also. That person is of young. He is a young person. He is in your life, and he is there for you. He is supportive. He is very cooperative. But along with that, I see a third person entry also is there. So you have to be very careful of that person, and that is yet again another female. Means in totality, if you say a male friend or guide or supporter is there, and a female is also there whom you should be, little cautious. You should be there in dealing with her. So in January, I would give you a suggestion or advice or a guidance. You don't share your secrets with female counterparts or young girls, or there is no need to share your deep secrets with girls who are new and who are just less than 25 years of age. Okay, and then total the overall reading, you have a very good the Chariot card, which is a very very strong card. It says you be strong, be courageous, and let your dreams come true. Just don't go astray of your goals. You will attain what you want, but you have to work really really hard in order to reach where you want. Okay, so my Cancerians, have a lovely month ahead. Stay strong, stay blessed, and my other zodiacs, stay tuned. More videos, for most videos upcoming. Okay, thank you.